Hi, I'm Tyler. I'm going to show you how to do things. I'm here in the Georgia backwoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make a bed. If you're like me, you roll around quite a bit in your sleep, so your bed can get messy in the morning. Now the first step in making a bed is to clear everything off and start from scratch. Alright, the first thing you're going to want to do is establish a base layer. So grab your first sheet and throw it on the bed. Now you're going to want to line each corner up with each other corner. Now you have to remember in this whole process, it doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to be sleeping in the bed the next night. Next you're going to want to throw your big blue blankie on the bed. And pull it right up. Finally, we're going to want to situate the comforter. Now this is the part that really matters, so you want to make sure it looks good. Perfect. Alright, now all we have left is just the sleeping pillows and the fancy pillows. That's a lot of pillows. Alright, now we just hop on and we're ready for bed. I'm Wild Rice Rust, and I just showed you how to make a bed. Click below to subscribe and comment what you want to see in the next video. Well, see you around.